1,55,000. What's the price, brother?
70,000.
70,000. Look, guys, this cost is 70,000, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, today I'm in a place called Dakers Lane here in Kolkata, right? And I'm gonna show you the most expensive veg thali, right? Here in a place called, Dakers Lane. Alright, so let's explore this, foods here and show you. Explore, guys, and please subscribe. Let's go, guys. Yo guys, so here we are. Mr. Arun. Very good afternoon, sir.
Joy Mata. Joy Mata.
How are you? Good? Okay, so guys, now this brother sells the most expensive veg thali, right? So basically, when I say, 1,35,000 means, 135 rupees. It's just a vibe, just the hype, that he says, just for fun. So I'm gonna show you the type of foods that he sells here, yeah. So this is the eggplant, and if you come to his shop, you're gonna, call this sundari. Sundari means beautiful, beautiful. And they have this, beautiful yellow rice, and this is, made with jackfruit, right? This is made with a lime called Gondaraj Lebu, Lebu means lime. Has a very good fragrance smell to it, right? And they put that in this and they cook it with cauliflower, right? And this is the veg, plate. And they have this bread, this, mixed cottage cheese. Like, I believe you have seen, smashed potato, right? This is the smashed cottage cheese with different spices in it. That's how it is. And this is the stuffed potato, and they have the gravy inside, so they're gonna put that, right? So look, guys, and the shop goes crazy, and he has, more than 30 items, guys. He has more than 30 items that he sells here in the shop, right? I don't think you can eat all of it in one day. You have to come, at least for like a week to, eat all of his food, right? Look, guys, and this is the cottage cheese made with spinach, right? This is the masala cottage cheese, right? This is the gram and cottage cheese mixed. So they have all different kind of, of veg item. You only get veg, right? Look, guys, and this brother is, baking or making this bread called naan. Look, guys, and guys, right now in Kolkata is super hot. It's almost like 40 degrees, and just imagine this brother standing right next to the fire and making this bread, right? Salute to this brother. He's a hardworking brother, cool brother. So look, guys. Now this brother is gonna serve this, right? So this is the Matar Paneer, sorry, Chana Paneer. Look, guys. And how much is this, brother? 60 rupees. Guys, this is 60 rupees, but just for the hype, for the fun, this brother calls it, 60,000, right? So it's not like, 60,000, it's just like 60 rupees. That's how it is, guys, okay? Yeah, look, guys. That's how it is. And right now the time is, around 1:30, 2 in the afternoon. Look, guys. People work really hard, guys. That's how it is. Look, guys, this one is called the khichdi. Khichdi is basically made with, a very unique rice, right? And they put different vegetables and lentils, and they give you this curry with it, mixed curry. And what's the price, brother?
70,000.
70,000. Look, guys, this cost is 70,000, guys. पुलाव और पनीर 80,000 गाइस देखो ये 80,000 का प्लेट है आपने कभी देखा अब मेरे को बताओ 80,000 माय गुडनेस 1,55,000 guys so that was me trying to show you the most expensive veg thali that you get here in the street of Kolkata right and yeah please do not forget to smash that subscribe button I will see you in my next vlog let's make memories love peace take care guys see you soon